Meaning of freegan.
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 Freegan. Freegan is a term that describes individuals who adopt an anti-consumerist lifestyle by rejecting the capitalist system of consumption and waste. Freegans rely on alternative methods of living, including dumpster diving for discarded but usable food, repairing and reusing household items, and participating in communal living arrangements. By living on minimal resources and reducing their carbon footprint, freegans hope to challenge the dominant culture of overconsumption and promote sustainability. While their practices are often viewed as controversial or extreme, freegans argue that their lifestyle represents a powerful form of resistance against the exploitative nature of capitalism.